love living in New York City, but one of my biggest complaints about small space living is that we don't have a designated play space for Charlotte or her new sister. Since we don't have a suburban playroom or den, all of the games and toys live wherever we can fit them around the apartment. For the most part it works, but sometimes it gets a little messy. Today we are going to tackle my most hated play space in the house, the toy kitchen. Before we start, make sure that you like this video and subscribe so that you never miss one of my new videos. Invite your friends and please enjoy them as much as you possibly can. There are some incredible play kitchen makeovers, most of which start off with you painting the cabinets or the backsplash. I don't have time for it and I don't have space for it. I'm going to show you guys everything that I buy for the transformation. I will wait for everything to arrive so I can do this transformation during one nap time. This is the Little Chef Valencia Play Kitchen from Teams and Kids. I looked into removable wallpaper and peel and stick tile, but ended up going with this paintable bead board from Amazon. Gonna level with you guys. I thought it was peel and stick. It's pre-pasted, meaning that I could wet the back and then just stick it on like a giant sticker, but I don't want this to be completely permanent. I probably could just stick this back there with nothing at all because it fits pretty snugly and stays in place, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of putty and tape to make sure that it's nice and smooth and sticks back there. The next thing that I've been wanting to add to this kitchen is a toy phone. She loves to make fake phone calls. I found this great toy phone on Amazon from a company called Happy Pie. I love the vibe of the landline phone. It reminds me of my own childhood. And this one was very easy to install. All you needed was this one screw and a washer. I pre-drilled a hole in the side of the kitchen and then I just screwed it into place. It doesn't require any batteries or electricity. The numbers push in and there's sort of like a dinging, which I think Charlotte's really gonna like. The next thing to tackle is the play food. I have been keeping it in this plastic bin because I don't know, that's just what I had it in, but it's not very cute. I found these amazing stackable wood bins. They're $15 each from Pillowfort. You can get all of the play food in there and it'll just look really cute and almost like market-y. Of course, I have a visitor. Someone has snuck away from her nap. That's okay, I need extra help putting the food away.
I'm not by myself.
I'm gonna try to get her back to sleep for a few more minutes so I can finish this. One thing I've been itching to do with this play kitchen is style the top of it kind of like I would a bookshelf. I've been obsessing over these Ollie Ella picnic baskets. You can find them in different places, but I got mine at Masonette because I love them. Every kitchen needs a little bit of greenery, but since I'm not super jazzed about getting dirt all over this thing, I decided to go for a faux plant. My go-to for fake plants is Target. I feel like they have the best options. They always look more real to me than other places, and they're really inexpensive. This faux azalea was $4.99 and the perfect size for this kitchen. To add a little bit more fun and some height to the kitchen, I'm going to recycle this letterboard that I've had sitting in the back of my closet for ages. I spent way too long on Pinterest and Instagram looking for kitchen puns, but I think this one's the winner. One thing I didn't love about the original kitchen were the plastic pots, pans, and utensils. They're perfectly fine, but one easy upgrade I was thinking is to get the metal set of cookware from Ikea. I'm just gonna swap these in for an instant upgrade that I think looks super cute. One other random thing that I thought to add was an oven mitt. My parents have one at the play kitchen at their house and Charlotte loves to put it on. So that feels like a very simple way of just making it a little bit more special for her. Plus I found this really cute one on Etsy. It's linen from a company called Little Boats Designs. She's going to love it and it kind of helps me blend out that whole white, off-white, gray color scheme that we're going for. This has been such an easy, straightforward transformation. I didn't do much, but I think it looks 1,000 times better. I'm really excited to see what Charlotte thinks of the phone, of the stackable food that kind of looks more of like a grocery store vibe to me now, and her oven mitt. I think she's really gonna like it, but let's see what she thinks when she wakes up from her nap.
I got the orange. Hello, Mama.
Oh, hot, hot, hot.
I got 6 Emily.
Thank you.
I didn't have to paint anything or do anything crazy, just a few things from the store, and we're good. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments. If you are hesitant to try, I hope that you found 1 or 2 things helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye!